a psychological standpoint, alcoholism in adolescents can have several consequences. Harming brain development. The adolescent's brain is still developing and alcohol interferes with this process, leading to a long-term cognitive behavioral deficit. Emotional and psychological issues. Adolescents with alcoholism are at higher risk of developing mental health disorders, such as depression, anxiety, and conduct disorders. Alcohol use can exacerbate existing emotional issues or create new ones. Impairment academic performance. Alcoholism can lead to poor school performance, including lower grades, absenteeism, and dropping out. Cognitive impairment caused by alcohol can affect memory, attention, and problem-solving abilities. Relationships difficulties. Alcoholism in adolescents can strain relationships with family, friends, and romantic partners. It can lead to conflicts, trust issues, and social isolation. Increased risk-taking behavior. Adolescents with alcoholism are more likely to engage in risky behaviors such as unprotected sex, driving under the influence, and involvement in criminal activities. Substance abuse and addiction. Alcoholism in adolescents increases the risk of developing other substance abuse disorders and life vulnerability to seeking substances as a means of coping with stress and emotional difficulties. Consequences. Underage drinking is illegal in many countries, and adolescents with alcoholism can face legal repercussions, including fines, community service, or even juvenile detention. Decision-making. Alcohol impairs judgment and inhibitions, leading to impulsive and potentially dangerous decisions. This can result in accidents, injuries, or involvement in risky situations. Self-esteem and body image issues. Alcoholism can negatively impact self-esteem and body image in adolescents. It might lead to feeling of shame, guilt, and dissatisfaction with their physical appearance. Their health effects. Alcoholism in adolescents increases the risk of developing chronic health issues such as liver disease, cardiovascular problems, and neurological disorders later in life. It's important to note that early interventions and appropriate treatment mitigate those consequences and support adolescents in recovery.